In this video we are going to discuss partnership. Partnership is also defined in Partnership Act 1932. What is that? That partnership is an agreement between persons agreed to share profits of a business managed by all or any of them, acting for all. So there are some important terms which must be clarified. The first one is agreement. Agreement might be in form of written or it might be oral. Both are valid, and the persons might be 50 in case of banking business and 100 in case of non-banking business. Acting for all means mutual agency. That means all the partners are mutual agent for each other or one another. Partnership deed. This is very important document which contains all the terms and conditions of the partnership, and it is very helpful in the partnership accounting. So what is partnership deed? See here, written document that contains all the terms and conditions of partnership. What are these terms and conditions? See here, we will discuss here only the accounting one. The first one is interest on capital, second interest on drawings, third salaries to partners, fourth commission to partners, rate of interest on partners loan, the fifth one, and the sixth one profit sharing ratio. These are the accounting conditions, and other important terms and conditions are also mentioned and written in the partnership deed. So this is very important ones. The first and very important thing, that is also the interest on capital. How the interest on capital is calculated. The important thing is that interest on capital is calculated always on opening balance. Opening balance is calculated by adding drawings and deducting profits. Next one, rules in the absence of the partnership deed. Suppose there is no partnership deed, so what will be the rules regarding the interest on capital, interest on drawings, salaries to partners, commission to partners, profit sharing ratio, interest on partners loan? The first one, interest on capital, that will not be allowed at all. Next one, that is interest on drawings, it is also not allowed at all to the partners. Next, salaries to partners, it is also not allowed if there is no partnership deed. Commission, it is the same case with the commission also. Next one, profit sharing ratio, if it is not mentioned then it will be equal. Next one, that is the last one, interest on partners loan, it will be allowed only at the rate of 6% per annum. So these are the important rules. So we will have an illustration to understand these rules which are in the absence of partnership deed. So there is an illustration. A, B and C are partners in a firm with capitals of rupees 50, 40 and 30,000. They earned profit of rupees 90,000. What will be the share of the profit? We know the profit sharing ratio is not mentioned in these questions, so the profit will be distributed equally. 90,000 will be distributed equally, that will be 30,000 each. That will be the correct answer. Next one, next illustration, that is the illustration number 2. A, B and C are partners in the ratio 3:1. C asked for a salary for the services he rendered himself willingly. Other partners are not agreed with it. What is the provision regarding the salaries in this case? So it will be allowed, not allowed, allowed for 6 months, allowed for 3 months. What must be answered here? We know very well, in the absence of the partnership deed, no salary is allowed, so not allowed will be the correct answer in this question. Thank you so much.